Welcome to Phaeton Identity. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview into Phaeton Identity and how it works. As we have seen in recent times, with improvements in digital technology, there has been a significant increase in identity theft. Never before has it been so easy to acquire another person's vital personal details and capitalize on them. But the problem is that we need to use our ID to verify our accounts online more than ever before. But the security measures around keeping our information safe hasn't changed at all. Cyber attacks on large tech companies are becoming more prevalent than ever. As we have seen in recent events, one of Australia's leading telecommunication companies, Optus, got hacked and exposed 2.1 million customers' vital details such as driver's license numbers, passports, and credit card information, with government officials clearly stating that Optus simply left the window open for hackers to be able to enter. All you need to ask yourself is, can you see the world continuing down this path, or are we in need of a revolution? Welcome to the future. Here at Phaeton, we have found a solution to this problem that is applicable at a global scale. So these are the three pillars of Phaeton Identity. Instead of just having a normal passport or driver's license and keeping information online, we aim to encrypt that information and tokenize it, giving it a unique address, very similar to how crypto wallets currently work. Once your ID has been tokenized, we then use decentralized identifiers to store it in the blockchain, and we use the blockchain to be able to run this complete database, which is an immutable database which can never be changed or tampered with. Now, what are the benefits of Phaeton ID for the users? So each user will have a unique ID. Every time that ID is used in real-world applications, the user will then need to be able to give consent, which is going to be in the form of a smart contract that will appear on the Phaeton ID wallet app, and the user must accept this for the information to be able to be shared. This whole database is decentralized, meaning no personal documents are left on centralized servers, making it vulnerable for large hacks, as we've seen with the big tech companies. This whole identity database is actually applicable on a universal scale with worldwide application and no geographical boundaries. Phaeton ID has the potential to be used in every industry that we currently use our IDs, with governments, healthcare, travel, e-commerce, legal, supply chain, employment, social media, banks, and much, much more. It's a worldwide application. So how does it work? Very simply, all the user would have to do would be download a mobile app, create a profile, and they will receive a unique ID number. They then have to upload their documents, and data will be extracted from those documents and sent to the blockchain database. Once they've done that, they'll need to generate a trust score, which will be a smart contract automated system, and a scoring system will determine the person's trustworthiness. And once that's happened, they'll then have an ID which is validated, and every time the ID is used, a new smart contract will have to be accepted by the user. Currently, Phaeton ID is near the end of the post-production phase, with us looking to launch in the next coming months. As you can see, this is a snippet into the Phaeton ID dashboard with a very easy to be able to understand user interface, helping people walk through those steps like we mentioned before. And as you can see, this is a little bit more into the current iteration of the Phaeton ID dashboard here and here. Our devs are working around the clock to be able to finalize this product, so stick around with more coming soon.